So now this is going to be our last class on the Pro Tools basics tutorials, and this is how to export tracks. So we have these tracks here, we have our tracks here, all recorded, and so we can remember when we said bouncing, what bouncing is. We want to bounce these tracks. So we come to the end of our project. If we put our mouse pointer here, we left click and then select, we left click, hold, and drag backward to the beginning of our project. We come here, we save. Now file, look at bounce, so bounce to disk. Or we could just do Control plus Alternate plus B. So now this is how to bounce or export all your project. So we could call this test bounce, or test exports. Okay, so we can select this, so we can select between WAV or MP3, or you can add, if we can choose to export in two versions, WAV and add MP3. This is the bounce source, which is the master, left and right. This is, we can select the formats. We can use a mono summed, or we can use multiple mono, or we can use interleaved. We can choose the sample rate that we want to export at, depending on what we want to do. So we could choose 44.1 kilohertz or 48 or 96. And so we can bounce here. If we click bounce, now this is where you add further details for your MP3 exports. And then we click OK, and the bounce starts. So that is the end of our Pro Tools basic tutorials. As we proceed further, we will learn other advanced and intermediate techniques. So our next class, we will focus on FL Studio basics.